Pivot table, and chart. Pivot table and chart in Microsoft Office Excel. In this video, I share to you with this example. I have 3 questions before, shared to you with Create Pivot Table. 1. What's a pivot table? The pivot table is an interactive tool for summarizing and analyzing large datasets by reorganizing data from a source table to create a new, summarized table. In Excel, a chart is a visual tool that converts raw numerical data from a spreadsheet into a graphical format, such as a line graph, bar chart, or pie chart. 3. How to create pivot table. This is an example that I manage on students' exam. After, I need to summarize to pivot table. I want to show the student's grade. Okay, first I hold Select All Student List. And click on Insert tab. After, click Pivot Table. It will show you a small dialog box. Next, I choose the first option to create new sheets. Next, I rename this sheet to Pivot. And if I click out of the pivot cell, the field list is hide. Or I close this tab. I can reset on this tool. Next, short data in to pivot table. First, I hold click on Grade and drag in Rows field. Check the left side the grade of the student arranged to rows. After, I need to show amount of the student's grade in cell. Hold click on Name and drag in Field. Now, check the result. There are 2 students are grade A. Okay, 1 students. 2 students. Okay, with first summarize pivot is done. Second pivot table. I need to show amount students fail and pass. I back this file and click on Table Design. And click Summarize with Pivot Table. Next, I choose second option. Click on this button and open Pivot Sheet. After, click this cell to show pivot field. And click OK. The first summarized data is result. Hold click on Drag on Field. Next, I need to count amount of students pass and fail. Okay, now check the result on pivot field. I want to express you there are 2 pivot table in this sheet. 1 is showing student grade. 2 is showing the student's result. Now, hold Select and move down. After, create chart. First, click any cell of the pivot table. And click Pivot Table Analyze. After, click Pivot Chart. I choose Pie Chart to display. Click on this point to resize chart. Check the outcome. The grade is showing on chart. If you want to replace style, you just click Design and Change Style. Next, create one more chart. I click on cell of the pivot and click Pivot Table Analyze. Click Chart and choose Style. And click OK. Click to resize image. Click View and hide grid line. This is result of students pass and fail. If I want to show the number on chart, I just click on Chart and Design. And choose this style. Now, the numbers show on chart bar. Okay, I'm back to first sheets. You can show your chart style of the header like my example. Okay, pivot table and create chart in Microsoft Office Excel is done.